Wow, let me tell you what, I got this 12th gen uh, Intel rig set up so I could experiment, well, just so I could use it, and also so I could experiment with different flavors of Linux and virtual environments just because I want to. It's just fun. So, you remember fun? That's what you do when you like something. At any rate, check this out. This rig, I'm running Oracle VirtualBox on this thing. Check this out. I'm running 1, 2, 3, 4 decently configured VMs on here. I threw 8 gig of memory at them. They have access to virtual optical drives, virtual hard disks. I think I set up the hard disk base at 128 GB, which is respectable for a VM. And these are running Linux, so I could really scale this down and make them thin clients. And I will set up like thousands of different flavors of VMs just because I want to see what different configurations provide me. But anyway, check this out. I'm taking advantage. I'm only setting up with four workspaces. Workspace Alpha, Workspace 1. I do have a native browser running in the MX21 host. And I have a VM running, another browser checking out Groundspeak's geocaching.com. Why not? Because it's fun. We're going to go over to Workspace 2, or Bravo as I call it. That's where the VM host is running, and I've got another VM running, also checking out geocaching.com. Go over to Workspace 3. I just have the VM sitting out there. It's just showing pretty pictures. It's just sitting idle right now with the MX21 host in the background. Let's go over to Workspace 4 or Workspace Delta. Come on, click. Again, I have another 8 gig VM running. I'll goof around with these later. And of course, MX21's in the background serving host duty. I love Mint. I wasn't sure. I came from the Ubuntu cloud, and I also dabbled with Red Hat for a hot minute. But I came from Ubuntu, but lately, the latest generations of Ubuntu, well, they're kind of... I'm not really feeling them. I think they try to make the Swiss Army knife of Linux, and they might have overstepped it. And they're probably losing some fresh ideas. But fortunately, with the Linux world, there's so many brilliant people out there, talented folks with the creative minds, always staying on top of things. So you have plenty of options, plenty of choices. And of course, the latest recommendation is for Mint. I would have used Mint as my host. However, the Mint guys have not caught up with the latest 12th gen Intel architecture. And it appears the MX21 guys were on top of things and managed to pull it off. I have no issues with this as working as a host OS on top of this 12th gen Intel platform. I mean, it's freaking fabulous. The installers, well, everything, I gotta tell you, the experience, just terrific. Go get a cup of coffee, download the image, and just click, boom. It's ridiculously simple, ridiculously flawless. I think you'll enjoy it. So give it a go. For the latest 64-bit version of MX21. Throw that out there, give it a try, kick the tires, see what you like. I tell you what, from my experience, after tossing out different flavors of these things and running with Windows, the MX21 guys, kudos to them. They really did an amazing job. Experience was great. Everything works flawless out of the box. I mean, it's a great experience. Installers are just tip top. Definitely world class. And you know what? You cannot beat it because it's open source and free. Jesus, come on. That's next level. Awesome. Give it a shot. I can't heap any more superlatives on top of it. This will be a fun little ride. I'll share more videos as I go along. Looking forward to letting some smoke out of this box and seeing where it takes us.